This is another example of question on Venn diagram that involve three sets. Welcome to Maths with Chris. We are still looking at Venn diagram involving three sets. So let's solve this question together. This is about the second example. A school has 37 vacancies for teachers, out of which 22 are for English language, 20 for history, and 17 for fine arts. You will discover that in this question they are talking about three major vacant positions. You have English language, history, and fine arts. That's what we refer to as classification involving three sets. In the question, we'll be talking about three entities. So in this case, they are talking about three vacant positions. And now, out of these vacancies, 11 are for both English language and history, 8 for both history and fine arts, 7 for English language and fine arts. Using Venn diagram, find the number of teachers who must be able to teach. You have all the three subjects. Then be fine arts only, English language and fine arts, English language and history, but not fine arts. So this is how our Venn diagram will look like. You have the first set, the second, and the third. Now, a school has 37 vacancies for teachers. That's all the things they are talking about. All the vacancies revolve around 37 positions. That means that's our universal set. Then in that case, it means that our universal set will be 37. 22 are for English language. So you have English. Let me put English here. English, you have 22. 20 for history. Let's use H for history. And that's 20. Let it be here. And 17 for fine arts. F is 17. And that's here. Of these vacancies, 11 are for both English language and history. That is English language and history. So you have English, intersection, history, 11. 8 for both history and fine arts. History, intersection, F, 8. And 7 for English language and fine arts. So you have English, intersection, F, 7. They're using Venn diagram. So now, the number of candidates that can teach all the subjects, let that be history, intersection English, intersection history, intersection fine arts, let that be X. And that will be in this center of the circles. So that's the number of candidates that can teach all the three subjects. We don't know the number of candidates, so we use S to represent it. Now, I'll find the only of all these two sets first. Find the only, that is the number of candidates that can teach English and history only, history and fine arts only, English and fine arts only. And that would not be equal to history, intersection, English, intersection history rather, is 11 minus X. English, intersection history will be 11 minus the S. So you have English and history, 11 minus X. So this place will be 11 minus X. History, intersection fine arts, that will be 8 minus X. English fine arts is 8 minus X. Then you now have English, intersection fine arts. No. English fine arts. The first one is English and history. English and history. The second one is history and fine arts. History and fine arts. History, intersection fine arts. History, fine arts. So in this place, 8 minus X. Don't make that mistake of putting it in the wrong place. It's not give us the correct answer. So history and English is 8 minus X, which is history, English. 8 minus x. So note the correction. Then English and fine art, that's 7 minus x. 7 minus x. English and fine art, 7 minus x. So if you are able to get the only of the two sets first, then we now get the only for the one set now, for one of the vacancy for each of the circle now. So this is how that will look like. So to get our English only, that will be this 22 minus all the sets in the English, which is this and this. They are in the set of the English. So that will be 11 minus x plus this x. 11 minus x plus 7 minus x. So if I simplify this will be 22 minus open bracket minus x plus x will cancel out. This plus this, that will give me 18. 11 plus 7, that's 18 minus this x. So if I open the bracket, I will have 22 minus 18 plus x, minus times minus plus. Then you have 22 minus 18. So that will give me 4 plus x. So my English only is 4 plus x. Then I'll do the same thing for history and fine art. So for history only, history is 20. So I'll have 20 minus open bracket all the members in the 20, which is this and this. They are in this circle of history. So you have 11 minus x, 11 minus x plus 8 minus x. Then you have 20 minus open bracket minus x plus x will cancel out. This plus this will give me 19 minus x. So if I open the bracket, I will have 20 minus 19 plus x. Minus times minus x is plus. So that will give me 1 plus x. So history only is 1 plus x. Then to get fine arts only also now, that will be 17 minus all the member in the fine arts, all this one like this, which is this and this now. So I will have 8 minus x plus x, 8 minus x plus x, plus 7 minus x. So that will give me 17 minus this plus this, 6. 8 plus 7, that's 15. Minus x plus x will cancel out. This plus this, that's 15. Then minus x. So if I open the bracket, that will be 17 minus 15 plus x. So this will give me 2 plus x. So for fine arts only, you have 2 plus x. So this is how we get our only for all the single sets. Then to now find the value of x, if I add everything in the set together, it's supposed to be equal to the universal set. From there, I can get my x. So to get our x, if I add every values together now, which is this one first. So let me try and solve that one here. So you have 4 plus x, then you have 1 plus x, plus 2 plus x, 2 plus x, then plus 11 minus x, 11 minus x, plus 8 minus x, that's 8 minus x, plus 7 minus x, 7 minus x, then plus the x plus x should be equal to 37, should be equal to 37. And if I simplify this one further,